Electronic data interchange is the transfer of business information using a standardized format. This allows one company to send information to another company electronically instead of using paper. Many business documents can be exchanged using EDI, but the most common are purchase orders and invoices. At a minimum, EDI replaces the mail preparation and handling associated with the traditional business communication. However, the real power of EDI is that it standardizes the information communicated in business documents, which makes possible for a paperless exchange. The traditional invoice illustrates what this can mean. Most companies create invoices using a computer system, print a paper copy of the invoice, and mail it to the customer. Upon receipt, the customer frequently marks up the invoice and enters it into its own computer system. The entire process is nothing more than the transfer of information from the seller's computer to the customer's computer. The process improvements that EDI offers are significant and can be dramatic. For example, consider the difference between a traditional paper PO and its electronic counterpart. A traditional document exchange of a PO. Buyer makes a buying decision, creates the PO, and prints it. Buyer mails the PO to the supplier. Supplier receives the PO and enters it into the order entry system. Buyer calls supplier to determine if the PO has been received, or supplier mails buyer an acknowledgement of the order. An EDI exchange of a PO. Buyer makes a buying decision, creates the PO, but does not print it. EDI software creates an electronic version of the PO and transmits it automatically to the supplier. Supplier's order entry system receives the PO and updates the system immediately on receipt. Supplier's order entry system creates an acknowledgement and transmits it back to confirm receipt.